Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will learn about 10 basic electrical and electronic components that are used in electronics and IoT to make different types of project. Our first component is resistor. A resistor is used to control the flow of current in a circuit. Control flow of current in circuit. Second component is capacitor. A capacitor is a electronic component which is used to store electrical energy. Store electrical energy. Our third component is LED. LED stands for light emitting diode. It emit light when current pass through it. Emit light when current pass through it. Our fourth component is diode. A diode is a semiconductor device which allow current to flow only in one direction. Allow current to flow in one direction. Our our fifth component is transistor. A transistor works as a switch and amplifier. It works as a switch and amplifier. Our sixth component is relay. A relay is also used as a switch. Used as a switch. Our seventh component is battery. Battery is the most important component in any electronic circuit because it provides power to the circuit. Provide power to the circuit. Our eighth component is switch. Switch is also used to on off the circuit. On off. Our ninth component is transformer. Remember that if you build electronic project, then you need DC supply. A transform There are two types of transformer available in the market: step up transformer and step down transformer. So you need step down transformer. A step down transformer convert 220-volt AC supply into 12-volt AC supply, and after making a bridge rectifier with using transformer, you can take DC supply. It convert high AC current into low AC current. Remember that here you use step down transformer because every electronics component need low voltage. So we need low voltage in terms of DC. Here we use a rectifier to convert AC supply into DC supply. And our last component is breadboard. Breadboard help to make circuit without soldering. Means we can connect different components using breadboard without soldering. These are the some basic electronics component which every beginner should know. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more electronics videos.